This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Arundhati Paul. Union Minister of State for Home, Kiren Rijiju, informed the Lok Sabha yesterday that no accurate data on illegal migrants in the country is available. This is because they have entered India surreptitiously without valid travel documents. He clarified that the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 is meant to facilitate Indian citizenship only to the minority communities who were compelled to leave their original homes in Afghanistan, Pakistan and Bangladesh to seek shelter in India because of religious persecution. The Rajya Sabha was adjourned for the day as Samajwadi Party, BSP, RJD and others protested against changes in faculty recruitment system in colleges and universities. When the House met post-lunch after an adjournment over the issue, and NRC in Assam, Samajwadi Party leader Ram Gopal Yadav sought a discussion on 200-point rooster system in higher educational institutions, Rijiju also introduced the 125th Constitution Amendment Bill 2019 to increase the powers of autonomous councils in the 6th schedule areas of the Northeast. Assam Finance Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma yesterday announced a series of proposals and relief packages for the benefit of self-help groups and economically weaker section of the society in the state budget for the year 2019-20. Sarma said that during 2019-20, capital subsidy of 50,000 rupees on bank loans would be provided to 63,000 SHGs, and they would also be incentivized to go for bank loans by providing an interest subvention of 3%. These newly adopted SHGs will be given the initial revolving fund of 25,000 rupees under this scheme. On healthcare, the minister proposed to expand the coverage of Atal Amrit Abhiyan to include ICU packages, trauma critical care, pediatrics and pediatric surgery, besides bone marrow transplantation, benefiting a large chunk of poor and middle class. Farmers will continue to get 25% subsidy on their short-term crop loans taken against Kisan credit cards up to a maximum limit of 25,000 rupees. The second scheme is to continue with zero interest on short-term crop loans up to 2 lakh rupees. Sarma also announced 10 crore rupees as solidarity fund to Meghalaya for hosting the National Games in 2022. Mizoram Chief Minister Zoramthanga yesterday launched a program to ease vehicular traffic congestion in the state capital Aizawl by involving people having land for parking of vehicles. The state government has allocated 10 crore rupees for the Parking House Support Scheme for construction of parking lots to accommodate 1,000 cars. Under the scheme, any individual who has a land for parking at least 5 light motor vehicles would be given assistance at the rate of 1 lakh rupees for the parking space of one vehicle. The Chief Minister said 100 crore rupees more would be allotted during 2019-20. The scheme was launched because of the perpetual traffic jams caused by parking of vehicles on the roadsides. BJP member Ranu Langthasa was elected unopposed as the chairperson of the 12th North Cachar Hills Autonomous Council yesterday. Langthasa was the chairperson in the outgoing council too and is the first woman to hold this position in 2016. The election to the post was held at the council premises in presence of Dima Hasao Deputy Commissioner Vikram Dev Sharma. Langthasa has been winning from Semkor's seat since 2007. The BJP swept the polls held on January 19th by winning 19 of the 28 seats in the council, while the Congress backed 2 and the AGP managed 1 seat. The remaining 6 seats went to independent candidates. Altogether, 112 candidates have filed their nominations for the elections to the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council and Jaiñtia Hills Autonomous District Council. Some MLAs and former legislators, including Lambor Malnyang and Ronnie Wei Lengdo, filed their nominations from Nongkrem and Millim constituency respectively. A number of sitting members of both the councils have also filed their nomination papers. The election will be held on the 27th of this month and counting of votes will take place on March 2nd. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.